Hello. Let me make sure I'm still alive over here. Comical. Scared the shit out of me too. Shit's so loud. Yes, stream started. Okay, we're live. I seem to be live. Alright, don't fucking do that again. You know what, while I'm here though, I'm gonna check, because I took a picture of it. I gotta see what that error was. Let me see if I got it. Driver IRQL not less or equal. What? Alright, well I guess it's gonna fucking play ads again, that's annoying. Yeah, wow, okay. That's neat. I love that for me. That was fun. I'm glad we took that little detour. You know, we were taking the scenic route to to the end of the stream, I guess. I love adventures. Okay. Fucking strange. Let's take a sip. Let's see. What does StreamerBot extend with the Twitch API? I don't know. I am very, very new to a lot of this stuff. Especially, well, I know that, well, before I used a plugin called Twyworks, which would do Unreal directly to Twitch, but I think it was missing certain things. Like it only, for a long time it only had events for raids and I think subscriptions, like it didn't have a separate like follow thing. Like I think StreamerBot just allowed for a lot of flexibility with, like, say you wanted to stream to Twitch and YouTube and Kick or whatever the fuck, you know, it seems to have a lot of functionality there. Gio says, I had StreamerBot proper die on me recently. Whoa, wouldn't reboot, took a bit of poking around to figure out the settings, had corrupted, and were crashing on launch. Fortunately, it also makes regular backups, and it's literally copy paste folder defect. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's kind of scary when it breaks though. All right, apologies. It thinks it's a new stream, so it's gonna run ads. But first time I've ever had an issue with. Ah, I see. Hi Dinah, I'm here to lurk and give you views. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You missed it. My stream machine blue screened. It was very cool and fun. Okay. Anywho, let's hop back up. Another excuse to view that transition. Saw the stream die and I was confused. Yeah, it blue screen. I'll send you a photo. It's funny. And by funny, I mean it scared the shit out of me because it does that thing where like the music just like starts sending just like some blank fucking waveform. It scared the shit out of me. We love a good blue screen. When it reboots itself, we do, but otherwise it is sad. So let's see. Well, now I don't see shit, or maybe it's just very slow. Yeah, actually, I think it's just super slow. Or, oh, I guess it's probably random every time. Okay. Is this shit still open? See, we had an Unreal crash followed by a blue screen, so I'm not feeling too great about this. Let's boost the location. Amplifier, just see what it looks like if I add. See, here's my problem. I think this would genuinely make me feel sick. What if I try something else? Nope. sequence. Oh, it's a camera animation sequence? What the hell is that? Yeah, sure. What does that look like? What the fuck? That's so silly. Okay, hold on. 5 seconds, 0, 0. At least get that looking decent. Or at least timing-wise decent. Okay. So, I think it's the same sort of deal where I don't want any rotation. The streamer bot run locally and you connect to it. Connect to that when integrating on Unreal. Yes. Yeah, it's all local for me. All local. So yeah, I don't think I want any Z. I guess these would be 0, maybe. I don't know. And then I guess do like a 0.2 for amplitude, right? That's the strength of it. That's literally just a back and forth, which I guess is maybe better. I'm gonna have to check it out. I love that I discovered this after just doing the Twitch integration. Nice. Honestly, I'm sure you learned a lot though. Took me 3 days to get emotes to work as Godot doesn't support Git. Oh shit. Really? Not at all? That's surprising to me. Okay, yeah, I think this has to be set back to 1. Also, are these world? If they're world, that kind of sucks. I was kind of hoping these were local. So I truly think, but StreamRobot looks like it listens to events through many services, including OBS, which would be cool for scenes. But yes, yeah, I have it set up. Since I think it also has Stream Deck integration as well. I don't have one, so I think Geo might be able to attest to that. But I have a fake one. I just have like buttons that correspond to like key presses, and it can read the key press, like the shortcut, which is cool. Works with Stream Deck. Nice. Yeah, it has a ton of integration, which is really cool. And connects to OBS. Yes, that's what I use. That is what I use. Okay, fuck. Frequency. Say, because I need that shit really slow. Or wait, what did 0.2 look like again? Hoping they have a C# library that... Ooh, they have something. Is it C# that you can code in? I know they have some things where you can just type in, like, you can just execute custom code. I think it's C#. I don't remember though. And StreamRobot can use WebSockets to work over a network too. Yes, mine's all local, but yeah, I think you can set it up to be on a network. Okay. What if we have the intensity here? Have the intensity, maybe increase the time a little bit? Because I need it to be subtle. I don't hate this though. This is kind of cool. I mean, maybe it would help if I saw the whole thing. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So then, I guess how long would this be? I guess each of those shots could be like, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. Camera cuts. Camera cuts? I have I have no idea how to use a sequencer. I have never done that. Because honestly, I'm wondering if I can just key like different locations, like almost have it teleport. Just have it teleport around. Though, no, I guess it would make more sense to actually make different syn cams? Probably. Hi Sammy, how are you? Camera cuts track allows you to switch between multiple cams in the scene. Yeah. Is that what I want? I think that would make more sense than like doing like keys back to back, but I don't know. I'm alright? I am also alright. It feels, after kind of going at least a week between streams for a while, I do kind of feel like I'm back too soon, but not like in a bad way, just in a like, is my voice gonna be okay? Alright, let's see here. Yeah, because I guess I could just have multiple cams and they just can read the same camera shake, surely, right? I was concentrating on shaders. What are you trying to make? My thought was I could do like a little starting soon like intro thing of just like, I sit here, I like, oh fuck, my controller died. I sit here, I do the sleepy, or sorry, I sleep this way, I do sleepy like this. And then I would kind of sit on a camera that I guess is here and have it do like this ambient move. And then I would cut to, I don't know, like some other shot of like back here maybe, like you can look at, yeah, like I'll literally mimic that. I would actually sit back here. And we'd kind of have a similar little shaky shake. Just kind of focusing on different things. I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 different angles that we just kind of cycle between. I guess in my head, I anticipated it being in blueprints where I would like randomly select a camera and like randomly select a duration, but I'm not sure that makes sense, honestly. I think it probably would make sense to put it in a sequence and just have that loop until, Jesus Christ, until I decide like I'm done like with the starting soon screen and then I can actually start. But I guess my thought was, do I just want to do it one cam and basically like key back to back? Like I want it here at frame 60, but at 61 we go back here. And then just like continue the camera shake, or I don't know. Don't do it again. Do not do it again. Oh my god. There's so much noise. I thought my stream was gonna crash, but I think it was just the music freaking out. Okay. If you make a sequence per camera. Oh, would that be like a camera? Hold on. That wouldn't be a level sequence, right? They do have camera sequence or camera animation sequence. Is that what we're talking about? Let's see. Let us see. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh, that has this spawn in. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, no, that's not what I want. Level sequence. Okay, yeah. Wait, would it be a level sequence per camera? Or wait. I guess like a sequence. Well, here, can I set this so that I can just see, or wait, I can hide this guy, because then maybe I can set you to do the sleepy. Do I have sleepy set? Oh no. Like I can, there we go, we can kind of preview it. You can either put all the sequences into a single master sequence or try to run them randomly via blueprint, so you get both options. You get random in an array of levels. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. So then we would do sequence. You would make like a bunch of little sequence. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's just try that. Can I make like, no. Well, okay. These are test cams. Oh, great. Some of them aren't even fucking there. I love that for me. Okay. So that's my test cam. So yes, a level sequence can go inside another level sequence if you get stuck. Okay. Okay, so we'll have a sequence for starting soon. Let's just try a level sequence. Sequence. Cam 1. I should have duplicated that. Yeah, why didn't I do that? Because that's what I want. Duplicate. Cam 1. Goes back to shaders. Do it. Go back to shaders. Have fun in Shaderland. Lord knows I never do. Okay, so... Oh. Girl, close your eyes. Okay. Normals. I hate normals. Damn, I said I hate normals? Oh my god. It froze when I went to take a sip. What the fuck? This shit crashes at the weirdest times. Okay. So say we got that. We got cam 2. We got... Maybe I'll just do cam 3, cam 4, cam 5. I'm gonna have to... Wait. Can these all read from the same cam? Maybe they can. Hold on. So if I delete this from the main... okay. Delete this from the main thing. Is it like a click and drag sort of deal? Oh, it is. Whoa. Shows you how much I use the sequencer. Whoa. And I can do 3. Oh wait. I understand. Let me do this for testing. Because I don't have to read from the main sequence like this necessarily. Also, why it no sticky? Whatever, just put them all in. Yeah, okay. So I could do shots like that. You can have more than one shot track too. What the fuck? That's crazy. But yeah, I do think doing it this way would make sense. Not necessarily putting them all in a row like this. But then hopefully that means I could just like rename this guy. You know what? Let's figure out where the cams go first. Let's figure out where cams go. I think I want you here. Oh, okay, cool, it updates. That's awesome. So I think... yeah, like I could do like a... See, I'm not a camera person. I don't know what makes a good shot, you know? We can figure that out. I truly just need something right now. Oh shit. Oops. I guess here's what we can do. Because I guess the smaller... Hold on. I know how cameras work, right? I know how cameras work. I know what I'm doing. I do not. I do not know what I'm doing. So like I could... guess we could take a little peeky poo at what I'm doing. Do we focus on the screen or do we focus on me? Guess we'd focus on the screen. That's more interesting. Can I see this? There's a way that I can see this, isn't there? Debug. Yeah. Show me. Otherwise, I'm guessing. Perfect. Okay. I love that I disappear when that happens. Oh, I see. Because it's editor only, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna toggle that back on. Just to make sure what's going on. Okay. I think now that I see it, I think it's a little too fast. I think it's a little too speedy. So what if we do 0.2 all around? Oh, and I guess I can't. I was gonna say I could tweak them per thing, but let's leave it like that. So save that. How do I know what I have open? It just says sequencer. Okay. Sure. I should have... Nah, fuck. I should have made it... Math. How do I... How do I change you? Can I put in a number for you? I don't want to drag you. Oh wait, shit, set end time. Oh, what? Okay, I hate that actually. Math. It's like 15 seconds. That's 5 seconds, so I need 450. Yeah, I might have to duplicate those again. Set end time. Perfect. Okay. That feels alright. Let's do that. Okay. Save. And then I'll have to delete these guys. Get rid of those. Right? Yeah. Let's make another one. Duplicate. Starting soon, cam 2. Where maybe we can do... I don't know. What do we want to do? Can I like hide certain things, or I don't know, what's a good angle here? I don't think there is one. The fact that there's a wall right here kind of sucks, doesn't it? Kind of fucking sucks. I didn't really design this room with this in mind, did I? Truly did not. So you could do a zoom in on the record player, but it won't always be on, so I guess you can't. Things suck. Fuck it. Let's just pick something. Come on. I hate that I have to press enter on all these. It's stupid. Okay, this is getting distracting. But it's also not having the effect that I want. Sure. See what that looks like. Now it seems too subtle. Am I crazy? Maybe I'm crazy. Okay. Sure. Put one there. Save. Need at least... I would prefer 4, if not more. Do a little bit of a donut cam, maybe? Donut cam. Alright. Sure, why not? Silly. Maybe if this like did something. Because right now it does not. Sure, but we'll keep it. That's silly. Yeah, now it seems a little too subtle. Amplitude 0.3. Oops. Don't do the wrong thing. I wonder, can I... no, never mind. Hold on, I'll go back. I thought maybe I could tweak these, but... And maybe... Yeah, fuck it. We'll figure it out. Or, no, fuck it. We're gonna try it now. What the fuck? Edit track, edit section? No. Sort. Okay. But this won't let me... Whatever. Alright. Undo. Undo. I thought I could do a thing, but I can... Okay. So, we got that. Duplicate. What more can we look at? What else is fucking interesting around here? I feel like they're all just like behind. It'd be kind of cool if I could like adjust this in a way that made some sense. Maybe a coffee mug shot with chat. Gotta be careful with where I'm at though. Where's my debug? There it is. Oh shit, wrong one. I guess I would still be hold on. Yeah, it kind of sucks that I can't like view this in a way that makes more sense. But yeah, that makes it look really, really like it's like a really strong camera movement. Yeah, what's my goal here? What am I trying to do? Is the throw redeem? Oh, it's on the list, I promise. It's there. It's there somewhere. I love the soft lighting you got going on. Yeah, I think folks have called it. Oh, what did people say? Like RTX, RTX mode or something silly. RTX noodle. Okay, so let's try that because then that's not terrible. I really do wish I could change these per shot. Yeah, it's whatever. RTX noodle would be flip. That's true. That's true. We'd have like fuzz physics. Okay. So we have 4. Let's make a 5th for fun. What's next? Where else do we put this? I can imagine it. Ugh. I can't. It's a little icky for me. Yeah, what's I guess kind of annoying me is that they're all kind of coming from the same angle. Huh? Yeah. I'm trying to set up cameras, and I'm realizing I'm no camera artist. What? No. Gio says hi. Gio. Gio's the one from the UK. The one from the UK that we've complained about or talked about like Europe and stuff with.
All your fucking government on the podcast.
maybe say that when you don't have something in your mouth that makes you sound itty bitty. Oh shit. I didn't even think about that. Ooh. I don't know how cameras work. Cameras are hard. Come on, come on. Well, I also have to remember that starting soon is going to be sitting right here. So I think if I'm going to do that, I need to do it down here somewhere. I think I'm gonna need a I'm gonna need a second pass on these, I think. And you see how subtle it looks here because I'm not like super close in on anything? Yeah. Maybe we do something like that. So where the fuck did my distance go? There it is. Sure. We at least have 5 angles that we can work with. They're not perfect, but we have them. Okay. So then I would want a blueprint. Not a level. Oh no. Yes, delete. Blueprint. I guess an actor blueprint. Sure. Blueprint. I suppose this could maybe go into scene manager, like scene transition manager. I guess it doesn't hurt making it its own class. Or its own blueprint, I suppose. Let's see. So, I want to make... a cam sequence array. Level sequence? Sequence. Level sequence object reference? Yeah. Aha. I need it to be an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I suppose I could have it make it dynamically if I really wanted to, but I don't think I'm gonna be making a fuck ton of cams, you know? We might be okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will need, I guess, a custom event. Custom event. On starting soon. On starting soon, I get a cam sequence. Or I guess random. Yep. And then can I just play this? Play? I don't know how sequences work. Playing a sequence from Blueprint. New level sequence. Sequence player. What the fuck? Create level what the fuck is a sequence player? What is this? Level sequence actor object level sequence player object reference. Huh? Like from one of these can I press play? Yeah. What? Huh? Does it have to be an actor or what is it? Sequence player? Hold on. Level sequence player? What the hell is that? Do I get to pick it? No. Okay, great. Oh. What? So I do have to pick a level sequence. That's kind of ass. What? New level sequence. So I could pull them. Might need to be like a scene, or in the scene like an actor. Yeah, it looks like that's what these people are coming to the conclusion of. Which, like, I suppose I can. There's no reason not to. Especially if I'm gonna have just a couple. Like, I could easily just make a folder. Say sequences. I would love if it didn't open every single goddamn folder. No? Okay. Boink. Need to go into there. Shaboink. I do find it a little strange that it wants it in there, but whatever. So I guess then on event begin play, get actors of class with tag. Level sequence actor. And call it starting soon. Oop. Can I play you? I can. Oh, okay. So then I guess I just have to tag these as starting soon. Give me the tags. Can I tag them all? Nice. I love that. Okay, great. Let's try that and just see what happens. So then delete you. Then this becomes my thing. Cam sequence array. Like that. And then when you do starting soon, I basically need you to loop through these. How best do I loop? Well, okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. let's try just one of these. Get a random actor. Play. I see you can do play looping. But if I play, is there a end? Notify movement ended. Go to end and stop. I was kind of hoping there would be like a when this ended thing. Ended. Stop. Oh yeah, assign to on stop. I guess. Well, yeah, right? Is this gonna then make a binding for everything? Like, is that gonna be like a lot? Or is this something that I can do? I guess maybe I could set you? No. Promote, say, current camera sequence. German tanker Johnny, hello, how are you? Like, I can do something like that, I guess. Current cam sequence. Play. Bind to on event stop. On. Starting soon. So then I would just literally grab another one, right? Does that make sense? But then I guess I would have to do another custom event. On starting soon stop. Then I guess I would just take whatever the current cam sequence and say stop. I guess I can just do that, right? Because then that should put my camera back to my pawn, right? I think so. Not sure. Because that would go somewhere in here. Will still trigger the on stop event. I suppose it would, wouldn't it? Yeah, which would then go to starting too soon. Yeah, fuck that. Okay. Need a branch or a gate? No. Actually, I'm gonna be so real. What the hell is a gate? Oh. Allows for opening and closing a gate to control the... Oh, that's kind of cool. Start closed. Open close toggle. Gate is like a branch, but with exec only. Oh, okay. I see. That being the case... Or, hold on. I guess I would do this. Yeah, wait. I actually don't know how gate would work. Haha. So your on stop event would enter the gate and call on starting after it. On stop event, that guy, will enter the gate. Oh, bam. As in, like, start the gate? Oh no, that's what goes into the gate. This will open it, this will close it. Okay. My brain. Okay, great. And call on starting after it. Like that. Okay, so then I just need to say what opens and closes the... I see. So I could do... Stop would close the gate. I think I would need a separate event to open the gate. I guess this could be... Hold on. This would be switch cam then, right? Because I think on starting soon, my thought would be like, that's what would be triggered from something else. I mean, not that I have to change it, but... Separate of it, yeah. Okay. I could literally say starting soon. That's fucking confusing. Okay. Let's see if it'll let me rename this. Change cam sequence. And then this would be on starting soon. Okay. Toggle's interesting too. That would interesting. Okay. You also need a sequence before the close gate, so you can also call stop. Gate being already closed will block the loop trigger. Oh. Let me read that one more time. You need a sequence before the close gate. A little bit of sequence. Oh, I see. I have to say stop. Okay. I have to stop it first? Alright, let's see. Gate being already closed will block the... I see. Okay. So that I will have to get current cam sequence and say stop. Close, then stop. Okay, great. Close, stop. Amazing. This is the cleanest a blueprint of mine has ever fucking looked. Okay, then that makes sense, I think. On starting soon, on stop, and then you'd loop through it. That makes sense. Okay, so then I already have a scene transition manager, which is a little bit messy. Oh, it's actually so messy. Okay. Maybe instead of pulling it in here, I would pull a reference. Oh god. Let me get myself situated. And my normals are still broken. Oh no. What is making me like fucking peek out of nowhere? I gotta tweak my audio settings again. This shit's annoying. I don't know if it's me that's to blame in terms of like my voice is just kind of shit for this mic, or if maybe I have my settings wrong. I don't know. Audio sucks. I kind of wish I could just pay somebody to look at my shit and fix it. Okay. So I think it should go into... Maybe the cat pressed a button. Unlikely. Maybe I pressed a button. Okay. No babies? She is in there? Oh, so sweet. She's so good. I love her. Okay. I do not. I should go see her. All right. I will.
See her and tell me if she deserves looking at.
Okay. I will. You can't even see her?
I see her.
Bro.
Here.
Oh, she's even. She's even, dude. She's so EB. Okay. I just cracked my hip somehow. Okay. I guess I would want to trigger starting soon with a button. I think I have a free button. Do I? I'm not sure. Bum, bum, bum. Scene transitions. Because I don't always want it to trigger on sleepy. Because sometimes I just take a break, right? I think I need a dedicated... Am I using Y? I'm literally looking at my controller. I don't know if I'm using the Y button. I don't think so. Ow. Let me duplicate Sleepy. Duplicate. And this will be cool because then like I can send a trigger to, hello? I can send a trigger to, StreamerBot when I do starting soon so that I can toggle on or off my, my thingy. Although this is a toggle. Oh, I don't remember how to set those up. Let's see. Come on, connect. Connect, you dumb thing. Or do I have to fucking select it myself? Face button top. Ayo. Ayo. I don't know what happened, but have fun. Is that Archibald? That's a good name. Oh, we went right to the hat. Right to the propeller hat that isn't properly situated. You like my hat? I didn't texture it, but I hope you like it. Bradspot, hello. Wait, did something happen? I missed it. Oh, ad time, that's what that is. Salad Forest? Hi. What is this emote? Am I blind? Okay, that's just a wave. I was like, what? I don't know why that emote stumped me. Broke my brain for a second. But hi. Welcome in. I'm getting a lot of first time chats. Did I get a raid and it didn't tell me? Perhaps. I don't know, but either way, hi. Alright, let me see. Oh, fucking stop doing that. I know, you're mad. I need a press. Or wait. Yeah, I need pressed. I don't remember what does the back and forth. Anyway. What are you mad at? There cannot be a null input trigger? Girl, where? Where are you seeing a null input trigger? You're such a liar, dude. Where? I didn't do anything. I literally deleted all of the all of the new stuff I did. What is your problem? What are you mad at? There cannot be a null input trigger on a key mapping. Yes. That is why the trigger exists. Do you just want a different one? No. Hello. I hate these. Sometimes I just get really mad and I don't know why. Why are you so mad? Okay, yeah, now you're mad at the modifier, but I don't... Girl. Is the issue like the actual starting soon thing? Like, do I need to tweak something in here? No. Bulls. Is it this stuff? I don't think so. Check the trigger drop down at the top left. Not that. Hold on. Oh, no. I don't want you here. No, go away. How do I get rid of you? Go away. I did the wrong thing. Yeah, go away. Okay. Hi, the Bigly. Okay. You said top left. I went top right. Okay. And it's starting soon. Yeah, so you're like super mad. I think I closed it. Whatever I did, I think I closed it. Yeah, well, you exist. Look at that. Okay, great. I don't need pinned columns. Check the trigger drop down at the top left. The top left. Index 0. This guy? You exist. Unless I'm looking at the wrong thing. I very well might be. Bullshit. Yeah, because you... I'm just mimicking what these are. Why are you mad? There cannot be a null input trigger. There cannot be a null input modifier. Okay, yeah, but I deleted you because I don't need you. What is your problem? This has happened before and I don't remember how I fixed it. I just remember it got really mad. Why are you mad? See, and it's not, that shit isn't even there anymore. Like, I just feel like you break for no reason. Why you break? Dumb thing. Like, and I think it... Oh, okay. What? What is your problem? Like, are you gonna be mad if I try to play? Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's separate. Okay. Okay, are you just mad when I press save? Or maybe it's just because I don't have anything calling it yet. Okay, I'm gonna continue as if that's not a problem. And then if it gives me more problems, I'll look more into it. Okay, I need my transition manager. Oh my god, I need... Oh, how do I do this? How did I do this? I'm bringing in the blueprint. I make the mapping. Yeah, where I doing this? Oh, it's been too long. I don't remember what I'm doing. I don't remember. Okay. Yeah, it's none of these. Is it actually in the other controller thing? I didn't think it was. Is it? Oh my god, it is. Oh, I remember. I was having other issues with this. Yeah. Okay. I remember. Okay, well, I guess it's living in the fucking campon. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Oh, that's stupid. Because then it feels like I'm going to be calling the scene transition manager, which then will send a call to the other thing? That's stupid. That's stupid. Should this live in the scene transition manager? Whatever. This feels dumb. Yeah, I forgot about this. Triggered. Triggered. Yeah, I guess I would do flip flop. Back forth. Yes, no. Yeah, because I don't see any reason to like bring in more than I need to. Like these, I think these are set up backwards, like legitimately. First of all, I'm not sure why this lives in the pawn. I guess some of like the free cam stuff should live in the pawn. I almost feel like a connection to the controller should just be its own thing. And then any of those buttons will just call whatever. Does that make any sense? Like, I just feel like nothing is living where it should be living right now. This doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to you either, Gio. Hold on, can I do paint? The input goes through the player controller and the pawn typically. Okay, so it should live in the pawn. I guess I was hoping that different inputs or different types of inputs could live in different places, but yeah, I guess it just gets really, really mad when I try to do an input outside of that, but okay, well maybe it's fine. Maybe from here then maybe just this is backwards. Like, I think I need to do like, I need to do something like this. I need to say, on starting soon, and I need on starting soon. Stop. Like, I think I need to do this. Like, just toggle it on and off. And then in... Like, cause then we just bypass the fucking general scene transition manager entirely. And then I can and then from there I just bring in the pawn, right? I just get my fucking pawn. No, not spawnables, you stupid. Pawn. Get pawn. Get pawn. Oh, hold on, get pawn, my bad. Get pawn. Fucking cast. Like, does this make sense? I don't know if this makes any sense, but my thought would be... Like, because then I can bind my events bone. Or I can just do starting soon. Yeah, assigned on starting soon. And I can literally do this, right? Like, and then I would do starting soon. Boink. Then I would do stop. And then I would do yeah boink like that. I mean, that ruins a perfectly good blueprint graph, but I'm guessing it was mad because you would need to add the INC to the blueprint you're working in for it to respond directly. I'm not sure what the consequences of that would be though. Still mad. Still mad. You know what else though? Here's a thing. Here's a thing. I am not even pulling the scene transitions thing in here. What if I do something like that? Would you be mad? Yes, you are. Okay, great. I'm not using the other one anyway, so I guess it's fine. But I think it's mad that I'm storing them in different, like, input mappings. I think it's just really mad. Why are you so mad? You're so mad. See, because then if I call on starting soon, then I can call that in the fucking streamer bot stuff. Right? I don't know. Pretty sure you can use multiple mappings at once. Yeah, it's just so angy. It's just so mad. Let me just print that so that I know what I'm doing. What I do want to do though, I need to go back to my music stuff. Yeah, I gotta get rid of these prints because they're gonna be really annoying. Oh, look at how ugly. Print. Wasn't there another one? Yeah. Go away. Okay, great. I've had trouble. Oh, I see. Yeah. This shit sucks. It's being silly. Hey, yo. Infinite Gameworks? Rating in? Hello. Welcome in. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Hi, how are you? Welcome. What were you guys working on? I hope your stream went well. I take it you do dev as well. Tell me all about it. Okay, this might be too ambitious, but I'm just gonna try it. We're just gonna, oh wait. Is my Bluetooth broken? Oh, my Bluetooth might be broken. I might need to set this as like a debug button. Oh, that's sad. Here, give me 1 second. Yeah, I know. You're super mad. Shut up. Hold on. I just need to check my... Oh, shit. Yeah, Oh, yeah. Okay. Mad at Bluetooth. Okay. That is something we can work around right now. We will deal with you later. My Bluetooth drivers just decide they don't want to exist sometimes, which is really neat and cool. I love it. I love Windows 11. I would definitely recommend Windows 11 to a friend. Ah, fuck. Okay. Scene transitions. Let's just make this, what do I not press? This, fuck. Just press the button. Yeah, there we go. Slash. Works as intended. Exactly. Yeah, shut up. Let's see if it'll even let me shaboink. Aha. So it's calling it. It's calling it, it's just not doing what I want it to. Okay. You are all mad at music stuff, which is fine. I think I know that. Oh, I do know that, because yeah, I know exactly why. Ignore those. Ignore those. Ignore anything involving music. I know why it's broken. Okay. You don't want to play? You don't want to play nice? Starting soon. Okay, great. Is it because I'm doing that multiple times? Okay, maybe something here's broke it. Okay, let me try to move the print and just make sure that it's doing something. Right, on starting soon. Right, just see if it'll print there. See if it's actually binding. Blink. And then it should stop. And then it should start. Okay, so it's doing that. Shut up. Okay, it's doing that. Let's see if it's making its way here. Are you doing what I want you to? No, you're not. Yippee! Alright, great. Yeah, that's all fine. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's not. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Ah, starting soon, manager. What are you mad at? Most of that is music, that's fine, but what's this one? Oh, I see, it's trying this, and I guess it's trying to stop it. Oh, I guess this is never being set. What? Do I also have to do a change cam sequence? No, I wouldn't have to, right? Because that should just open it and execute, right? Just need to see where the fuck this is breaking. So if we print exit, then like that's fine, I think? Maybe? What the fuck? Oh. It literally happened the moment I clicked a button. Alright, yeah, okay. I know. You're mad. Can you stop being mad, please? Alright, well, I'm gonna close down my music and open it again. Delightful. We just get to sit with the fact that sometimes it just picks up some noise, which is annoying because I thought this wouldn't be as much of an issue. Alright, there we go. Great. Yeah, it's just not doing. Oh, I left it open. That's why. Okay. Set track ID. Blah 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 blah. Starting soon, manager. Yeah, it's okay. But it's not even printing exit. It's like not it's not getting through to the other side. Like, are you not? No, because you were printing over here. You're opening the gate. Why are you not doing anything else? Start closed. Yeah. Nothing. I thought you were talking to me. Okay. Change cam sequence. Oh, you see it? Because I do not see. Not one bit do I see. So I take a sip. Ouch. Yeah, it's just really mad. Why are you so mad? On starting soon. Sequence. Open and play. Oh, I see. The same way I have like a stop. Sequence open. Oh, so then I just have to select a random, like do this guy. Maybe. Let's just copy paste for now and just see if that does what I want it to. Oh, but then I'd have to bind it up there, surely, right? Yeah, wait a minute. Maybe hook that into the top. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, hold on a second. Surely I could. Yeah, wait. Shaboink? Is that gonna break things? I'm scared. That should work? Or same as calling the top event. Yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's so fucking bright. I gotta tweak that. Oh. You stopped. Why'd you stop? Uh-oh. That's fine, okay. Yeah, I know. I know. Okay, well, it doesn't seem that anything broke on the starting soon, which is cool. Hi, Dead Son. How are you? What was that? Oh, okay. Oh, hi, Lockno. Welcome in. Welcome in. What am I doing? I don't remember. Dead Son joined and distracted me. Okay. Yeah, so it plays it once. But it doesn't seem to want to play it again. Maybe I can print something on the stop event just to see if it's actually fucking doing something. We're just gonna overload it with prints. Hey yo, more money. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dead Son. 28 months. Oh, that's crazy. Very cool, but crazy. Stop. Because that is on stop. Oh, remember when I said this was pretty? This is no longer pretty. Okay. Because it should last me 15 seconds. Yeah, what the fuck? Hello? You just decided to stop. Oh, okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I didn't wait long enough. At farms for a UFO game where chat. Oh, ducks farm animals? That's awesome. What the hell? I see. So it just doesn't seem to want to play for the whole 15 seconds? Okay. Stand by. So this shit is working. See, that's probably what I did not change. I thought that I could just change the what's its butt. Oh, whoop, wrong one. Oh, silly. It's probably that, isn't it? Oh, silly me. I'm going to be making a second channel where all these minigames play, where you can get the noodles thing in there at some point. That'd be sick. That'd be super sick. I gotta make sure that shit still works. I gotta get that in my project. Donut cam. See, yeah, this would only be cool if the donut was doing something. It's not. Coffee cam. I'm just doing close-ups on things. I don't know cameras. I just like close-ups. I just like to look at things. Okay. Save. Save. Press a play. I've been making tutorials for Tentacle. We'll have 6 of them done by the end of the... Whoa! Very cool. Oh, wait. Oh. I don't have my... I don't have my controller, so I can't go eepies. But yeah. I guess we would play this. 15 seconds is a really fucking long time. Is this not randomizing? We're just chilling. Just chilling right here. Well, I still have my camera culling. That's a little sad. I can't turn all the way around. Swapping from tentacle to Twiworks means you could probably reduce the complexity of your code at least 3 times. Well, I am on the streamer-bot train at the moment. So that actually has helped quite a bit just to move away from Twiworks, but yeah, I still have to... I do want to give Tentacle a try. I want to see what it's all about. Handles a lot of the username and colors. Oh wait, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, we seem to be stuck. We seem to be stuck. Give me... Can I tell it to do a random one every time? Like, why? Surely it should do that, right? It was doing it before, right? Wasn't it? I should still have that print for when it stops. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, does it have, I guess it has, like, auto... whatever on. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. So it seems to be working. That's cool. Yeah, the camera culling's still there, even though I'm inside the house. That's annoying. Oh, shit. It's because my pawn isn't inside. No. Oh, wait, no, it's not. It's... Wait. Oh, I think it is an issue of my pawn being outside. Ugh. That's so silly. Flufflepimp, hello. How goes? We're, hey, look, it's you. We're doing some interesting stuff, I think. It's, oh, yes. Some of this shit gets really bright. Okay. We're trying to get, like, a little starting soon thing going, which is cool. In-game chat, yeah. Yeah, that wasn't too bad to set up. Donut cam, classic. I think I need more than 5 cameras, and I need them to be nicer. I need them to be cooler. Okay, but if I turn it off... Okay, great, and then we're back. I know, shut up. Let me check. What are these other ones set at, exposure-wise? Yeah, my exposure should be manual, so why are some of these not manual? Oh, is it because I'm fucking with the aperture? Oh, it's because I'm fucking with the aperture. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. Ugh. What if... Yeah, it's totally because I'm fucking with the aperture. Okay. That's annoying. I kind of liked fucking with the aperture. Yeah, because this was a lot... yeah, okay. I think that still kind of gives you the idea, though. Yeah. Actually, let me try to tweak that and just see... I guess I just have to hope that it'll randomly turn to that one. That's silly. Also, that makes me realize I should edit the fucking UV on my back. That's so funny that they just kind of touch. Whoopsie. Okay. I think that's fine. Okay, yeah, it's definitely because I'm fucking with that. Okay. Great. Great. So that means the rest of these I can't mess with. Boo. Come on. I keep pressing the wrong save. And then you have to be 2. They all have to be 2, which is fine. So that they all have the same light. Yeah, that looks fine. We got some funkiness on the mug, but that's okay. I also have to, yeah, I have to remember that, like, where my starting soon is going to be framed up. So I think that's going to influence my cameras, like, wherever I end up putting them. Did you break? No, you stopped. I think you might have just broke. And this whole time I would be sleepy EB. Yeah. Why does sometimes it just decide to stop? Sometimes it'll just go. Sometimes it stops. And these are all music errors. it should pick a random one. Why does sometimes it not do that? It's a little weird. One sec. Need to wait for this to break. Oh. That's a lot of energy. That's so much energy. Oh my god. Ah, babies. Ugh.
And Illinois. Go, stop fighting.
What? Jesus. I lose my mind. Maybe the on change needs to open the gate first. Yeah, well, it seems to be thinking just fine now, which is weird, right? Like, what if I stop it and then start it again? Yeah, well, that's working. And I suppose I could also, like, put something in so that it doesn't play the same sequence back to back. I actually don't hate this shot. I think some of the other ones could use some work. Okay. Did this break? Yeah, we're not seeing stopped again. Yeah, it looks like it just tried. What happened? It didn't print anything. On stop. I wonder, is there like an end? On play, on stop. On finished? That would be stupid if it is just saying it finished. Like, do I literally have to do this? Can I even do that? Yeah, I can. That's kind of stupid. Right? Surely stop and finish would be the same. Surely. Right? Or maybe finish is what I'm looking for, since it does end. Go try it? Maybe? See if you decide to break? Unfortunately, these are 15 seconds long. So I have to sit here for a little bit, which I guess is okay. Wow. That's super broke. What the fuck is this? how how did this happen? What the fuck? Why is it zooming the fuck in? Alright. That is not my answer, apparently. Unless, hold on. What if I bind it to on finish instead? Will that super break it? It might super break it, but let's see. And imagine I'm sleepy this whole time. I go honk, shoot, honk, shoot, honk, shoot, like that. Alright, well at least it said it's up. Honk, shoot, honk, shoot. Honk, shoe, honk, shoe, honk, shoe. This is almost Elmo. Okay. So, I know we broke it eventually. Is there a way to make Beaker's nose into a prop? We probably could. Working on custom shaders so my color changing happens in VNyan instead of OBS. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That sounds like fun. Sleepy. What is this? Oh, I know what that is. I don't think that shows up in the actual build. Yeah, I guess maybe I could turn... Oh, we blew. I think what I want to do... I know, you're so mad. Stop it. Maybe for starting soon, I also... On starting soon, I need to open that. I need to set parameter. Scalar. Fuck. Camera culling. Camera cull. I think I want to set it to 0. Like basically toggle that. Oh wait. Yeah. I guess we'll want to set it to whatever it was. So, on starting soon, I guess I would just want to save that. Beep, 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 beep. Because it would depend on where my camera's at, right? It's Grover. I was using chroma key, which wasn't ideal since it would chroma key the wrong thing. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that. Okay. Dimensional Camco. Right, just save that. Then you set it to 0. And then you get that when you're done, and then you set it. A little something like that. Maybe? Shaboink. And now I just have to wait for the random fucking thing. Love that. I need the one where it's like close. We're still floating a little bit, which is pretty cool. I think we might be stuck. Great. Why are you stuck? Nope, you're not stuck. Okay. Then I need to have some logic to force it to not fucking do the same thing over and over. Because that's annoying. It's really annoying. Oh great, yeah, that works. That's what I want. Because all of these are gonna be inside. For the most part, I think. Fuck. Wait. Isn't that something I can change in the sequence? Yeah, hold on a second. I don't have to do it in here, I don't think. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Let me see though. I am fairly certain though that I can like insert a param. Like, can I? Yeah, I can do a. I can do that. Yeah. Absolute. Which I already had. Oopsie. Come on, be bigger. Can I just delete this one? Camera calling. Can I add? Oh, there it is. Camera call. Okay. Yeah, so. Yeah, so I can force it per fucking thing. I love that. I wonder if I can copy paste this into all of my sequences. Oh, I can. That's fucking awesome. I love that. See, I guess this is what an auto exposure would would be nice for. Maybe I do want that. Let me tweak some stuff because I do think I would benefit from being able to set this differently. Like, say, what was it? This one that I wanted to tweak? Yeah. Because if that I could make not so bad, something like that, so that doesn't look like shit. Like, what if I save that and I see what? Oh fuck! Oh, that's fine. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, so these might, if they're all bright, then that's fine. Then I'll just tweak the histogram. But I need to see if that mugshot. Yeah, okay. They're all fine. How do I do anything? Cuz that's a histogram thing, but how do I requires compute shader. Okay. Well then tell me how to change the brightness. Tell me how to do that. Is that just... no, fuck. Oh, it is now. Is that literally just doing that? Owie. But if they're all this bright, then it might be fine. Like I could probably just turn that off. Yeah, they're all that bright. Okay, great. It's kind of strange that I'm not able to see that here, though. Why can't I see that in my... oh, I know why. Huh. I think that's why. That might be why. Where the fuck is it? It's a little bit bright in here. 0? Haha. Might help. Where'd my tunes go? I want my tunes back. There we go. Okay, and I need to make sure that it doesn't do the same one twice. Prismal person, hello. Okay, I think this looks good. I think. Hey, look, it's you. Yeah, okay. This is, yep, This is good. This is good. This is it. I'm quite happy with this. Awesome. Great. Save. It's you. You're right there. Okay. I think also what we could probably do. Can I get a reference to this in any way? I don't think so. Camera shake. User defined. No. Okay, never mind. Oh, it is camera local. Alright, whatever. Save. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's a little bit strange that it's setting it like this, but... yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay. I do need the logic, though, to have it not loop the same fucking thing. Which I think is pretty easy. I think I can do the branchy branch. And I can say... equal? Right, I can literally just say, is the random thing you selected the same as my current one? If it is, then fucking try again, bitch. I think I can do that, right? For real? Because on the same node branch and are connected. Okay. Yeah. What? If they are the same, then I need... oh, I see. Windows is stupid. It's trying to force me to use Bing. Nobody likes Bing. They all suck. Honestly, all of it sucks. Maybe I can literally just, like, delay. No, I don't want to delay. Fuck that. Delay's gonna delay it. I could probably set this as something. Bing just sucks more. Yeah. Yeah. Current. Okay. If they are the same, then what do I need you to do? I would make a better search engine, but I'm not that good at coding. Me neither. Yeah, wait a second. Hold on. E5 get random array index don't fuck that, go away. Too complicated. Ah, my eyes. You see, I have ideas. Think I'm gonna do it, and then don't, and then not do it and forget about it. I feel that. I feel that. Just see what other people think. Like, okay, maybe... Is this something that we can make like a function for? Like, get random sequence. Can I do that? No, don't do that. Don't do that. No. What I was thinking is not a thing I want to do. I do truly wish I could made money from being I made a bot that gets the Microsoft points when it searches. Oh my god. That's so funny. I have a really good video game idea I want to make, but I'm scared I'll just forget about it. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard, especially when you feel like you don't have the time for it right now. Like you want to get to it eventually, but the time to do these things is elusive. It sucks. Yeah, wait, am I stupid? Why can't I be like, if these are the same, then fucking try again? You know? Because you're trying to grab a random thing. And I can't write in a notebook because it's too complex now. Yeah, I feel silly. Like, do I have to... Like, this is stupid. Just set it as yourself. And then do that? Like, does it just need something in between? That's really dumb. This song is slow. Like, I have ideas of like characters, items, and a shitload of game mechanics. Ooh, that's exciting though. That's fun. Most complex thing I made is a snake. Literally snake. Oh, at them. Did you just repeat, you piece of shit? I told you not to. I think you did, you piece of shit. No, you keep repeating, you piece of shit. What the hell happened to don't do that? Like, it's either that or... Just realized I write just like how I talk, stutters included. That's fair though, that's fine. That's allowed. Like, I suppose... Oh, wait a second. This is where I get the cameras, right? This is where I get the sequence. No, I do want it to get something random, but... Equals? So I think I would probably need a branchy branch and say... no. Get? No. Find? Find, right? Yeah, find. There it is. It's like, wait a second. Wait, for real? Ugh. Get sequence? Nope. Okay, not that. So who are you? Level sequence actor? Get actor? Actor? Oh. Ugh. I mean, ugh. That's not what I want. Okay. Fuck. I thought I could do it with the number. But like, yeah, what the hell? I just want it to be so that it's not like it doesn't repeat. Like don't do the same thing. Like just try to get another. I don't care about that, right? No, boom, don't steal my shit. Don't steal my shit. I am feeling incredibly silly though, Broom, I must say. Have you run into this? You want to get a random thing from an array, but you don't want it to repeat. Like this is kind of just like looping, of like you get, like it just loops through random like sequences in this array. How do I make sure it doesn't at least repeat like back to back? Like I'm okay if it repeats in general, but I don't want it to be exactly what the previous thing is, you know? I think that's what's messing with me right now. For like some reason. You'd have to test that it's the same as previous and re-roll. See, but I feel like that's what this branchy branch was supposed to do, and then it didn't do that. You know? Random int in range, save as last, compare, then recheck. Yeah, I think, because I have this, right? And I already have it set to current camp sequence, right? So I think the first thing I would need to do is check if these are the same. Surely, right? Like that's what I tried. Oh, you know what? Unless it's making something else. Can use a link of an array and put it to the max int range for a random int in range. Oh, you can do ints instead. Yeah, I think I like ints better because then you just don't have to deal with this bullshit. I think that makes sense. Okay. Get me a len. Ran int. In range. That would be my length. Is that length -1? I think. Right, because then those are my indices, indexes. So yeah, instead of doing that, then we would get you, right? Yeah. It feels a little bit roundabout, but I think working with integers makes more sense. Shablink. Because then free code. Then we branchy branch. Okay. So then maybe I'll keep current cam sequence. Yeah, because then I'll have to do that. And then I will promote and say current sequence int or index. Yes. Yes. Like that. So yeah, only proceed if these are not equal. So then I get my current sequence index and I check if it equal to you. And if you are, I need you to re-roll, which I think this is where it gets annoying. Of like, I would just love if I could do this, but it got mad at me last time I did that. Yeah. It gets mad at that. Like I have to do something in between. Like I feel like even a delay is fine, but like how do I force a re-roll if there's not like an exec here? Like I think last time I did this. Which is so silly. So silly. Boink. Make the random thing into a function. Oh. Wait. Oh, yeah, hold on. Yeah, you're so right. You're so right. Then just have it do the function again if it matches. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. I think that makes sense. I think I can just collapse the function. Say get random sequence. Right? So you start, you get random. Wait, am I silly? No, I don't know. I think we're good. This is index. This is sequence. Oh, come on. Sequence. Right. So then you do the branchy branch here. Say if this is equal to the current sequence index, then I need you to do this, right? Or I guess a blink, a blink, a blink, like that. Will you let me do that? Yes. Amazing. Okay, yeah, that's literally it. Great. Yippee! Yes, you can screenshot this code now because oh fuck, because it works. Or it will work, I think. Then you get the sequence player. Great. Which I think just means that this might have to go here instead. Yeah, where we just have to get a random sequence. That's fine. Okay, press play. Try again. I guess we can just let it think for a second here. Oh wait, pretend I'm sleeping. Honk shoo. Honk shoo. Honk shoo. Honk. Huh. Shoo. Huh. Shoo. Okay, I think that's working. The issue being, I need to forever favor the right hand or the right side of the screen. Hold on. Yeah, I know, shut up. Here's a question. Can I literally just like put an image in here real quick? I guess I can do a media track. Media plate? No. Okay, maybe that's not what I want. I was literally hoping to like do like a transparent type of like overlay real quick just so that I can like see what I'm looking at. I was kind of expecting that would be a media plate. Is it not? The hell's a media plate? Hold on a second. Media texture? Media file. Media source? No, wait, there was an image. Hold on. Nope, come on. Come on. Image media source. My eyeballs. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get a screenshot of what I'm looking for here. Un momento. Let me go back to like the beginning of my own fucking stream, maybe. Okay. Shaboink. Full screen. Because then at least I can see what my framing looks like. Ah, fuck. I just closed all my shit. Can I save as? Yes, I can. Save as. Where am I putting it? I'll just put it right in starting soon. Save. Import. Great. Amazing. That's what I need. Oh, I need a path? Yeah, wait a second. Okay. Why do you need a path? Oh, wait. The path can literally be into here, I think. Ah. There we go. Oh, and it just... Okay, great. So, can I put this here? Ah. Yes. Put it on top? Show it to me? Meow. Yeah, wait, what the fuck? Show me. Properties. Media texture. What is what is this? I don't know how to set this up. I don't know anything. Hold on. To virtual texture. Fuck. What am I doing? Media texture? Media player? Right. Alright, well I fucked that up. Hold on. Hold on a second. There's totally a way to do this where I can just like do a little bit of a little bit of an overlay sort of deal. There's gotta be, right? Media track. Media plate, media source. Media plate, media source. Is active, is locked, color and tint. What is going on? Advanced, no. Looping, start frame, media texture. Ugh, okay. Maybe this isn't as easy as I was expecting. Alright. Let me sleepy real quick. I need to step off for a second. I'll be right back. Wabang. I said wabang. Okay. Apologies. We're back though. Yeah, I think I just have to Google this. Image. You can put a plane in your seat. No, fuck that. When you're rendering, you have an option to burn in something and include a logo if you want. I don't want that. If selected inside the sequence, apply to a mesh. Boo. I don't want to do that. I also really don't want it to be an image sequence either. Oh, I needed the video output. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, sure. I did this all backwards. Media player. Yeah. Okay. So my media player will be my image source. Oh, I have them open still. And there's that. Sequence. I need a sequence. I need the media track. Media source image. Are you for real right now? Yeah, wait a second. Can I not put the media player in here or the media texture? Yeah, I don't want that. Oh, that puts it on a plane. what if I don't want that? What if I just wanted to play? Just play. Or wait, is it this? I don't think so. No, I think I fucked it up. Not fucked it up. I think I just goofed it. Yeah, why? Alright. That's so annoying. Okay. So then what? I just gotta test it? Boo. Boo. Alright, whatever. Means I can get rid of these. Fuck that. Save. Okay. Blah. That's fine. That's kind of cool though. So maybe we'll try a package real quick, and then I will probably go EPs from that. Yeah, shut up. Oh, are you gonna do this every time? Oh, you're gonna do this every time. Every time I try to save. That's really annoying. Gamepad. Sorry, top. Face button, top. Okay, save. Save? Oh, I hate you. I hate you so much. You're gonna do that every time. Does that mean you're not even gonna pack? It probably won't even package if I can't validate the fucking asset. What the fuck? Why? Why are you so mad? Hold on a second. Maybe we just need to truly start from scratch. Although that will break a ton of things. Do not. Never mind. I'm gonna try a package. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. A folder. 2026. Oh my gosh. 05. 04. Where the hell is this year going? Yeah, it's not gonna be happy. And if it is, then that would be really strange. Okay. But then we can, well, here's another thing. Yeah, wait. Surely I have this starting soon image over here, right? Hold on. I boot up OBS over here. Because then I could literally just... Yeah, wait a second. I mean, I'll let it package still, but... Oh, wow, okay. It did it. Oh, yeah. I don't even have it over here. Fuck it. Okay. I will let that do the BRB while I close this and start to get things moving. Move that to the main machine and hope that I don't lose all the frames in the meantime. Alright, let us start the process. I said let's tackle some of the to-do list, and by that I guess I meant only one thing. Literally a single thing. But that being said, we can take a little peeky peek at our to-do list. I would be quite happy if this is good. Cross that off my list. Hide work screen. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna leave this on there because then I need a streamer bot. Yeah, so that it can say, hey, we're on starting soon or whatever. So that I can send that information to StreamerBot. And actually show this little starting soon thing. So maybe I can do that very quickly. Because I would just do StreamerBot. That would be StreamerBot connection. And I would basically have to do the action string. Send message to StreamerBot. I today learned move source in OBS can fade audio system. Wait, really? Oh, that's interesting. I did not know that. So I think on top of bringing in the code manager, I think maybe I will have to do this. Something like that instead. I had this janky thing I made in StreamerBot to do it. Oh, that's cool that you got working. So then I need to get is this the pawn? Wait a second. Where am I receiving this call? I'm receiving it from the pawn. Okay, yeah. So that means that I can like directly tie any input now, which is cool. Blech. I'm gonna try to get this done quickly, because then hopefully I can repackage very quickly. I think I just need to promote you. That's on begin play. So then I need to set anything I think after that. Get starting soon. I guess it would be a toggle. No, I should set them separately. No, you know what? We'll do that later because I'm gonna have to do some StreamerBot setup anyway. I said how janky it was on Blue Sky and someone was like, why not just use the move plugin? Ah, boo. Someone hates ingenuity. I'm just kidding. Okay. Let's get this loading. Hello. Okay. It'll be doing the clicky clickies, but then hopefully I can do this. Oh, it's dark. That's fine. But this is where starting soon is. Oh, you fixed your normals? Yippee! It's like 100 WebSocket requests to tell OBS to show Ow, my eyes. Okay. Well, that didn't package right. What the hell? Oh wait, hold on, I gotta be sleepy. There we go. I'm so sleepy. You can see all my shit. That's kind of cool though. Normals. Yippee! Okay. Yeah, I definitely need more than 5 camera angles, but I don't think this is a bad start. I kind of like that you have chat in the background too. You know, in case it happens to be a busy, a busy start to a stream. You can see the music if you really need to. Yeah, you know what? I don't hate these camera. I think this could be moved a smidge. Like, just disconnect this from. Which one is that? That's this guy? Yeah, kind of do one of these. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, what the fuck is with this brightness? That sucks. I think that's the biggest thing. That's a little fucky with the starting soon. I think framing mostly is fine. It could be kind of cool to have this be a widget, maybe? Yeah, but see, here's the thing. Oh, my shit's dying. Okay, great. I'll just work on this in the background. I do have... I thought I set it... I guess what's weird about it is that I'm not seeing it this bright on my... like before I built it. I think that's what is a little strange. Yeah, because otherwise I have to... Yeah, like how this is so dark. Like I don't think that showed up so dark before. Maybe it's because I was playing it in whatever the fuck. Anyway, an issue for later. I will write that down because my controller is dead, so I cannot escape the starting soon loop. We are stuck here. So I need StreamerBot integration. I need to check exposure settings. Great. Cool. Save. Yippee! Cool. Otherwise, very neat. This is a very strange way to end stream. But my controller is super duper dead, so I cannot we cannot escape. Here, wait, can I do this? You can just see me every so often. Oh, you can't even see me. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay. Whatever. Oh. Alright. Okay. Anyway. Who we raiding? Who's live right now? Who can we say hi to? I know it's super mad. Okay. Who can we say hello to? Because it is eepy time for me. Eepy deepy time. Wait, Boom was just here. What the fuck? Did Boom just start? Yeah, Boom just started. Incredible. Shall we say hi to Boom? It's been a while. Yeah, let's say hi to Boom. Let's do it. So is mocap? Ooh. I mean, I'm stuck in starting soon sleepy time, so... Can't even eyeball spin for the way out. What's mocap up to? Yes, good night, Gio. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging. I guess I had a mocap actually. I feel like I owe mocap a raid. Mega mocap VR. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. Sorry for the fucking awkward. Sorry for the weird exit where I just sleep all day, but it's cool. um, yeah. I hope to stream more often. I've been in a weird spot, but um I've been enjoying dev stuff and all that shit. So you're acting like a cat a little bit. A little bit. Um yeah. Unfortunately, Dead Son, I've been trying to be really strict about my bedtime because my sleep schedule is atrocious. So I can't tune in to you as much as I would like, but I lurk here and there. But I gotta schedule something sometime. I gotta schedule some time to stay up past my bedtime and hang out. Um, but anyway, I'll stream earlier just for you. We'll find a time. We'll find a time. Um, or find a time for collab stuff. I mean, or hangout time. Anyway. I mean, you do not have to. You do not have to. I know you have things to do and all that stuff. So, all right, we're gonna raid out of here shortly. But, let's go say hi to Mocap. I gotta go to bed. But, yes, okay, bye. I talk too much. Okay, bye.